Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can delete apps from your iPhone 15 Pro, and for that you want to look for the app that you want to delete. We want to delete Leave Veranda Now, and then we press and hold, and then we can say to remove the app, and now we can say remove from home screen or delete app. If you say to remove from home screen, then the app is not on your home screen but in your library here, and here we can go ahead and say delete app again and then delete, and then it's not in your app library and also not on your home screen anymore. So to really delete this app, you want to go ahead and say delete app and not remove from home screen. If you want to use that app again, you need to go ahead and download it from the App Store again. So that's just really quick and easy how you can delete apps from your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.